TikTok people, me I put on, Rosealee and Raikou and the rubbish heaps, yes sir. Me I put Raikou and the rubbish heap, yes sir. Last time Raikou come for my life and say me could play too much with him. See people, me play too much with him. So me lose instead of dance. Me dance. Me play on next match with him. Yeah people, play on next match with him. Me lose again. Instead of dance, not sheet. He said, Mr. Ram, I not go upstairs if you not sheet. I not go upstairs because I can't go to cap no sheet if I not paid. Yeah, Mr. Raikou, I got about. Me ask somebody. Mr. Ram, you give me somebody. You give me something up there. No light not there. Me can't do no light. The man start get ignorant. Wait. Me jump up, Mr. Ram, me not the argument with him. Me not argue. All right, me tell. Everybody is on a light, you know. I did solar light. Yeah, people, solar light. So everything. Quick, the man, quick, go over there with Rosealee and I bring me down wicked. And the people in the comment, I bring me down the old man. And people tell him, say, people tell you, say, what? What people know about me? I'm not going to talk about people. People tell him, say, about me black gifter. What is a gifter? Gifter them are wicked. Anybody gifter and they want to come road. Come on people give Rosealee money and Rosealee classy people at the same time. Rosealee nobody. But I'm a little peanut girl there told me catch man. A man butter Rosealee. Me know Rosealee, Mr. Right don't know Rosealee for now. We know Rosealee used to sell peanut to the captain. And when Rosealee don't sell a peanut, Rosealee go walk a catch man with the gay guy, them a tone all over. Every gay girl know Rosealee. Rosealee walk and beg them on Instagram and all about. Rosealee not somebody. Rosealee dog shit. If Rosealee could have take a mama man, what you think about that? Girl I gotta take him mama man. Take the man with the same man which she there a mama man. Rosealee one wicked dirty stinking girl. You so big and wagga. You so big and wagga. Don't to ticky. Bring her down because she say one mash up Britney. Because the man say as she mash up Britney. You may tell that she mash up Britney make Britney stay so. That's what Tiki say, and don't Tiki go back and say him sex Rosealee in a ray ground and give Rosealee 5 bills. People on TikTok at that Tiki say come back and say him give Rosealee 5 bills and give Rosealee a good back as a ray ground. I all condemn and say I bring me I all condemn Rosealee all condemn. Purple pink, that's your name. Then say your name. Purple pink, your name. Girl, we can't work on the blood clot share. Can't argue with me. You hear me? I tell you. Everybody if you hold one day to blood clot, you tell some and a clot. Mr. Rob, me done with you. You can't blood clot call about my phone right Q. My black your blood clot no my right Q. You can't call about my phone right Q. He's a wicked man. He's a wicked man from Canada. He's an evil man. You sit down, you want come shout at me like you have a pitney big like Derrick Morgan. You have a pitney like big like Derrick Morgan. Don't do that. Don't you come by me live and come style me. Don't do that on top of me at top of $50. I used to give me $50, you know. I used to give me $50, don't give me a $50 blood clot and you know at top of $50. Don't you come like you want to style me. You can't style me. You're evil. You know Rosealee, a wicked and sin Rosealee send it man. Because you're afraid of Rosealee. You're afraid of Rosealee. You're Rosealee over there up to 3 o'clock. You're Rosealee will bring me there. Don't try to bring me there. Alright, I'm done with you. Make sure you make black. You can talk about say how much you come up my life. Come give me strength. You can't give me no blood class strength. You can't give me no strength. Nobody can give me no strength. He said Almighty God can't give me strength. You can't give me no strength. You can't blood break that Derrick Morgan and blood. But you give me strength for come over here. So I don't want to strength from you because you're not evil. You're not evil. Not evil, Mr. Ryan. Mr. Ryan, you're evil from Canada. And Rosealee from Seaview. Rosealee from Seaview where I can catch the man and take a mama man. Rosealee having his style, but with summer, with holiday, with holiday about your blood class. So I'm going to Rosealee. How are you? Who you dead dog? Dead puppy dog? He's a walking next. She's not a rubbish sheep, yeah? She Rosealee and Mr. Raikou in the rubbish pan, yeah? Raikou in the rubbish pan. See, yeah? Raikou in the garbage. the rubbish sheep. See, see them there, the rubbish sheep. See them in the rubbish sheep. People. See right you and Rosealee in the rubbish sheep, yeah. See them in the rubbish sheep, yeah. We don't know if we can do them in the rubbish sheep. Rubbish sheep. Them are rubbish. They are rubbish. Me don't talk to rubbish again. Me done rubbish. Me don't want rubbish. Me don't want to chat to Mr. Right. I'm a rubbish. And Rosealee are rubbish dog shit. Me don't friend from them. They are rubbish. Rubbish. They are rubbish. See them here? They are rubbish. See them? Rubbish. They are rubbish. See them? Rubbish. Garbage. Them are garbage. Garbage cleaner them. Garbage. They are garbage. Garbage people. They are garbage. Get away, fly. On it fly. Get away, fly. Don't come back, fly. On a blood clot, fly. Get away.